Hi. So I just wanted to reach out today and make sure that everyone was aware of a very special Tuesday at 10 that we're going to be having this next Tuesday, which is December the 4th. From 10 a.m. until 3 p.m. we're going to be having a vision board making open house. And we'll provide supplies and materials and some light refreshments and just try to make a space that people can come throughout the course of the day and think about their goals for 2019 and make a vision board that's representative of those goals. It is incredible how vision boards really can help you to focus on your goals and make your successes happen. And across social media, across the internet, you will see evidence again and again of people saying how vision boards have changed their life. They thought about their goals and then were very intentional about making them happen in their life. And a good vision board is going to include a couple of specific elements. You want to make sure that you discern your intentions. What do you really want to have happen? What do you want 2019 to hold for you? Maybe you want to get healthy, go back to the gym. Maybe you're trying to lose weight. Maybe you want to make $100,000. Maybe you want to be the agent of the month. Maybe you want to play an instrument or learn a skill or travel, visit a place you've never been to before. Represent all of these things that you really want to try to accomplish in 2019 on your vision board and then post it someplace where you're going to be able to see it every day. And like I said, it is amazing. You will see again and again people attest to this as an incredible way to think about goals, focus on goals, and make their goals happen. So again, this coming Tuesday from 10 a.m. until 3 p.m., and that is December the 4th. We really want you to come and participate. We'd love to have you come up and think about what your 2019 is going to be like and make a vision board that's going to be representative of what you want to try to manifest in 2019. So again, if you are not sure as to what a vision board is or how to get started, there are so many resources available on the internet, and I'm going to include some things as well, just links that you can look at and read through and maybe try to get some ideas of what your own vision board might contain. So again, it's Tuesday, 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Come by anytime. You can RSVP. We're going to have a sign-up sheet at the front desk, but you can also RSVP to me via email, and we really hope to see you there. Thanks.